How to log into Draper and Kramer Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Draper and Kramer Mortgage login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Scroll down. Navigate to this one website option. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right, you will see the option of login. Click on that. Different options will pop up. Go ahead and select the option for which you want to log in. Click on it. Once you're on the login page, you can easily provide your credentials and log into your account. First up, type in your email address or the user ID. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on login, and with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Draper and Kramer Mortgage account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.